Alright guys, so I'm gonna tint this Audi A3. So I'm gonna show you how to tint the back window. So guys, we're gonna make a H pattern. So we're just gonna tag it down the edges, because we have to shrink it. Okay, if it doesn't tag, you can use a wet sponge like this one, tag down the edges. So I'll just wet it a little bit. Now you tag it down. This is very easy window. If you're a beginner, it's great for starting. So now we have it added in the, cut it kinda to the shape. The reason why we put the film from outside, because you have to shape it and then apply it from inside. So no, we do not put, as many comments read, like we don't put from the outside the film. So let's now shrink it. If you can see how it shrinks, it's gonna wrinkle up, it's gonna make these zigzag lines, and then you can just slightly tag it down. You can see. This is very easy window, so there's not hard to shrink. Some windows might be difficult, but this one is not. So you can see it wrinkles up, kinda almost lays to the glass, and then you just tag it down. I hope you can see it. I know I make it look easy, but when you practice enough, you'll be able to do it as well. So here you go, we shrank this side. Now we're gonna lower the wiper. We're gonna do this side. Zigzagging, push it down. And move the heat gun like this. So as you can see, I'm always shaking the heat gun. I'm never gonna go like this, you know. Always shaking it. So always shake the heat gun. You cover more surface as well when you shake the heat gun, and you distribute the heat across. There you go. Boom, boom. There you go. Now we're gonna do the top. So you can see, wrinkles up. Don't push it too far in, because you're gonna crease it. So you have to learn to feel how much you can push when you're shrinking it. And don't spend too much time in one area. Go in sections. If that makes it easier for most of you. Right. By the way, I just wanna let you know that we have now certified our window film sun guard in Spain, which is government approved. So if any Spanish watching, you just know the laws here. You need that certificate, and they're very competitive in prices. Probably the cheapest in Spain. Right. So as you can see, we almost shrank the film. There you go, there you go, there you go. Now we shrank the film. Now we're gonna cut it to shape, to the dotted matrix all around. And then we're gonna clean the window and apply it. So I have the flashlight, so I'm gonna turn it on, and you can see the dotted matrix. So you just have to go slightly below it, you know, when you're cutting it. I already broke off a knife, so you should break off a knife every time you cut a new piece. And there you go. Slowly, where it's deep corners, you need to align the light a little bit better. Right. and the knife is not gonna cut into the glass if you're not doing some extreme. It's a light cut. You need to be able to cut it on a light cut. It's not the comfiest way for me right now, but holding the light and doing it. So you can get one of those lights that I saw other people use, which is magnetic. So I wanted to show you, like, you know, it's not comfy to cut here because you don't see it, but the spoiler is not letting me to cut. So what you do is you get yourself a white permanent marker and you kind of go where the dotted matrix is, trying to hold it in place as possible. Nothing special like this. And same from this side, so roughly here. Boom. See, just like that, roughly, plus minus. There you go. So we have it here. You can have a look. Perfect. The white line is below the dotted matrix. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually bring this film over and we're gonna cut it off. Anyway, we need to prepare the window now for cleaning. That was dangerous when the wiper fell. I mean, not for the glass, but for the film. So we're gonna spray down, keep it in place, and you can see the white line, which is what we need to cut. So we're gonna try to go just slightly above it, give ourselves some room in case we made a mistake marking it. But more or less I'm confident that I didn't. So there you go. Remove, and that's it. We're gonna prepare now the window for installation. So let's get into that. So spray down a little bit, just like that. Then what I do is I'm gonna turn off this little lamp. There, it's still on, still SOS off. Right. So what we do is we get a plastic razor blade. It's good for removing any defroster lines that are burned up and stuff like that. So just go over with a plastic razor blade. As you go over the window with the razor blade, and we're gonna wipe it down. Just I'm gonna spray it again. So all the extra dirt. Just still gonna do a bit of more cleaning. The better you clean, the better it's gonna look. I always go over with a towel without touching the glass itself to get rid of all the dirt. So now spray down again. Then we're gonna scrub it down. Right, now we're gonna clean it off again. Now guys, we're gonna apply the film. There you go. Right guys, now we're gonna peel off the bottom. Make sure the liner is peeling off. And now we're gonna go and apply the film. Walk backwards. Make sure all the gaps, no white gaps, get it in place. Now we're gonna squeegee out all the water. I spray down the window, now I'm gonna get the water out. So slowly, carefully, don't over push too crazy. You don't want to crease it because you will have to redo the whole window. So there you go, just squeegeeing out easy. Getting all that water out all the way to the edges. You can go over second time more harder, but first time just barely, just to get the water out. Just like this, just like this. And look at this, beautiful. Turning out absolutely amazing. What I like to do is actually get myself this type of squeegee. You can use the other one, you could use this one, but I just grab a piece of paper, bend it, and just get the water out fully. You see how much is coming out. And I'm gonna show you the final result. I'm gonna wipe down the window, I'm gonna squeegee out the bottom still. I'm gonna show you how it looks, guys. So as you can see, perfectly tinted windows. By the way, this is a certificate in Spain. So look at this, beautiful. No bubbles whatsoever.